Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and making your first commit. Install Git and verify your GitHub account, then open your project folder and run Git in it. Once done, stage your files with Git add, commit with a clear message, and create a remote named origin. Make sure to push the initial branch using git push uorigin main so GitHub stores the repository. This first push establishes the connection between your local project and the remote host. Next, configure automated hosting and deployment. In the repository settings, enable GitHub Pages and choose the branch and folder to serve, root or docs works. Then add a GitHub Actions workflow YAML to build and deploy on push. This automates compiling static sites or running bundlers. Once the workflow runs, configure a CNAME file or add a custom domain in Pages settings and enforce HTTPS so traffic is secured. Make sure to adjust branch protection. Finally, verify the live site and handle common failures. You should visit the page's URL and test functionality. If content looks stale, clear the browser cache or open an incognito window. If deployment failed, inspect GitHub Actions logs for build errors and validate DNS records for custom domains. A or CNAME must point correctly, and HTTPS may require propagation time. If a bad change went live, revert the commit locally or use git revert to restore the prior state, then push to trigger a new deployment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.